Hi guys, Keiran again, once from Fiximer. Right, you might see this white wall behind us and this nice chap here, Marcin.
Nice to meet you.
Marcin is our joiner for the day, and what we're going to be doing is installing some fresh wood cladding. So Martin's going to show us the whole process. Let's get going. First of all, we have our skirting boards all laid out for us, and then Martin is quickly going to get the oil, giving us that extra protection we need to, of course, avoid all damages. Our natural coloured oil, giving it that natural finish. Remember, we do have a variety of varnishes on our website. Now, our longest piece of oak here is 2.4 metres. Our second in the middle here is 77 centimetres. And finally, our last piece is 1.4 metres. Just let Martin carve up our next piece of wood there. And Martin preps our adhesive gun. He's packing it with our grab adhesive. And then we gently apply our adhesive to the skirting boards. We then attach our skirting board to the bottom of the wall, ensuring it's stuck down to perfection. Next up, it's our sticky tape before Martin goes at it with his heavy duty drill. Then we add a little bit of wood flooring sealer to cover up our nail holes. Now, we did this all the way around our skirting boards, ensuring all parts were sealed and connected properly. And now that the skirting board is done, we can now prep our wall. Now, to ensure our products are safe on delivery, we do like to go the extra mile in having these corner caps. They do protect the stock in transit. Now, the length of our panels are 2.4 metres long, and that is by a width of 600, and that leaves each piece of oak with a 4 centimetre width. Now it's time to flip over our first board, shake up our contact adhesive and get spraying. Then we simply measure up our wall and then add our contact adhesive to the wall before attaching our first board. And then it's screws and our drill, inserting 2 holes either side of the bottom piece. We continue that with the middle, and then we finish the process by nailing in 2 holes at the top of the board. Now, it is important to note that you can use contact adhesive or you can use your regular grab adhesive as well, which we both offer on our website. Now, Martin has used both here in this example, and we can see the final touches coming into play here, the final couple of boards going onto the wall, ready to give us that smooth finish. And as Martin finishes up, you can go to our website to see more examples of this wall cladding. Look at the job that Martin's done. Absolutely fantastic. The best cost-effective way to renovate your living room, in my opinion. Martin, what a wicked job, mate.
Thank you.
For more information about our wall cladding, you know where to go. It's our website. It's www.fiximer.co.uk, or just search us on all our socials, and we'll see you next time.